All right behind me is a 2008 Ford F-150 5.8 Triton. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around, a cold start on it. I mean cold, so cold out that I forgot a coat because it's full of gas. It's a real nice truck, but yeah, let's take a look at it. All right, onto the cabin. Yep, it's an XLT, so not high of trim, but still a pretty nice truck. Look how clean this is. If any guesses for how many miles, leave it down below in the comment section. Yep, if you get it right, I'll pin your comment, but no cheating, no cheating. All right, and it's 72,000 miles, pretty much on the dot. But yeah, let's go check out the hood, our engine bay. Yeah, check out the rest of the truck afterwards. But yeah, like I said, it's a 5.2 liter V8, the Triton. Try. Yeah, that's right there. Oh man, there's snow on it, but yeah, 5.8. I had no idea if the spark plug's been changed. You know, these are notorious for like, I forgot what the spark plug's blowing up. Like timing change, I think, and there we go. But yeah, on this you can see a new steering rack. Like I said, 72,000 original miles on it. Waste no more time. Put down the hood. I just like that. The grill's like that. Shut. Yep. Oh yeah. Ooh. Let's get you around back for that cold start. How was the snow? You may hear a little tick. Yeah, it's the exhaust manifold. It doesn't look rusty, so if we were to replace it, it doesn't look that bad. But 2019, the original owner, which was we're the second owners that did a little bit rust repairs in the corners, the front fenders, but the paint job they did was bad. I ain't gonna lie. I think they did this well. Bad paint job though. Yeah, let me check out the bed. Yeah. Wee. Oh boy, Christmas presents. I can't wait to shake them and try to find out what they are later. Yeah. They got the crew cab here. These doors always lock. Let me see if there's like a safety thing. No. They're unlocked, but yeah. We got some extra Walmart bags in here. Yeah, this thing rides nice. I got no complaints about it. Yeah, I drove it once, but yeah, the guy updated the shocks on it and everything back in a while ago. You can see the struts. The frame looks like it's ready to turn into chocolate chip cookies. But yeah, 72,000 miles, original miles, 5.4 liter Triton. That's an easy bed. Runs nice, has no engine lights or any lights. Got the cool mirrors. But yeah, if you like cold startup for vehicles, go check out the channel way before my first videos. I did a van, I did the Mustang there, and I did a Jeep, and yeah, other vehicles. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and really my first, yeah, hit that like button and subscribe down below. And yeah, like I said, you got the mileage right before this point, you win and you get pinned. Yeah, it's a pretty decent paint job, except for yeah, treasure coal. Yeah, the frame needs repainting. But yeah, 5.4 liter Triton, 5.4 Triton. Pretty nice interior. Yeah, so yeah, see you guys next time.